Welcome. If you're looking to add a custom title to a group admin in your Telegram group using the PC app, you're in the right place. With the latest Telegram update, it's easier than ever to assign unique titles to your admins, making group management more organized and fun. Let's walk through the steps together. First, open the Telegram app on your PC. Make sure you're logged in and ready to go. Next, head over to the group where you're the owner. Only group owners have the ability to set or change admin titles, so double-check your permissions before continuing. Once you're inside the group chat, look to the top right corner and click on the three dots. This opens a menu with several options. From here, select Manage Group. This will take you to the group's settings panel, where you can control everything from permissions to member roles. Now, in the Management menu, find and click on Administrators. You'll see a list of all current admins in the group. Choose the admin whose title you want to add or edit by clicking on their name. A new window will pop up, showing that admin's permissions and settings. Look for the field labeled Custom Title. Here, you can type in any title you like, whether it's Moderator, Tech Guru, Event Organizer, or something more creative. This title will appear next to the admin's name in the group, making their role instantly recognizable to all members. After you've entered the custom title, don't forget to click Save. Your changes will take effect immediately, and the new title will be visible in both the group chat and the member list. That's all it takes. With just a few clicks, you can personalize your Telegram group by giving each admin a unique title that reflects their role or personality. This small touch can make your group feel more organized and welcoming for everyone. Thanks for watching, and enjoy managing your Telegram community.